So here we have that x square plus 7x plus x square plus 7x plus 10. This is the quadratic polynomial. Okay. For this, we need to find zeros of polynomial. Zero of this polynomial. So how to find? Already we know how to find the zeros of polynomial for the linear polynomials. Now we'll study that how to find the zeros for the quadratic polynomial. Okay, so here p of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10 is there. So this type of problem is seen in the quadratic equation. So we know how to solve the quadratic equation. We know that three methods. So using that any of that method, but don't go for the formula and the completing square. We know the factorization method. By using the factorization method, we can solve this and we can find the zeros. So now here p of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10 is there. So you can write here 0 is equal to, now take the first term and the last term. So what we should do here, we should split the middle term. Which is the middle term here? That is 7x. We need to split this middle term 7x and we had to factorize this. Okay, so for that what we can do? We can take the first term and the last term. So I took the first term. What is the first term? X square, and last term is 10. So multiply that. So x square into 10, that is 10x square, right? So now we need to split. How to split? Here we have 10x square. Okay, this 10x square we had to split into two terms. We had to split into two terms such that the product of that number is 10x square and the sum of that number is 7x. Which number can we get? Yes, that is nothing but 5x and 2x. So what is that? 5 2s are 10, x into x, that is x square. Then 5x plus 2x is nothing but 7x. Is it? Now we can replace in place of 7x as 5x and 2x. So the same thing I did here, x square plus, instead of 7x I am replacing here 5x and 2x. Why? Because 5 plus 2 is nothing but 7. So 2x plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Now I grouped these two terms, x square plus 5x, and also I grouped this 2x plus 10. So now in this two, what is common? X is common. If we take out x as common, we remains with x plus 5. Then plus, here in these two, what is common? These two numbers are divisible by 2 and 10 is divisible by 2. So I taking out 2 as common. So 2, here x plus 5. Now in this, what is common? So here 2x plus 5 is common. So if we take out x plus 5 as common, so what remains? So it remains with x plus 2. So therefore 0 is equal to x plus 5 and x plus 2. So now you can take that separately. X plus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. When you simplify, you will get x is equals to minus 5 and also x is equal to 2. So therefore these are the zeros of the polynomial. X minus 5 and x minus 2 is zeros of the polynomial. Okay, we got x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 2. Is what we got is right? Don't worry, we'll verify it. So how to verify? We need to substitute these x values minus 5 and minus 2 in this p of x, that is x square plus 7x plus 10. If you substitute that, this entire equation should become 0. If it becomes 0, then our answer is correct. If it is not 0, then our answer is wrong. Okay, so we'll check it. Oh, I verified here. So first I took the x is equal to 5 and I substitute in the p of x square x square plus 7x plus 10. So what I got, x square plus 7x plus 10, instead of in the place of x I replace it as minus 5. So minus 5 whole square 25, then 7 times minus 5, 7 times minus 5 minus 35, then plus 10 as it is. So 25 minus 35 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 10 get cancelled, so we got 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 5 is 0 of the polynomial. Similarly, whether one more value we got, right? That is p of x, here x is equal to minus 2. So at x square plus 7x plus 10. So it's again I applied that x is equal to minus 2 here. So minus 2 whole square 4, then plus 7 times 2 is minus 14, then plus 10. So 4 minus 14 is minus 10 plus 10. So minus 10 plus 10 get cancels, we remains with 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 2 is also a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, I told you initially what is that? This is a quadratic polynomial. If it is quadratic polynomial, how many zeros it has? Yes, it has two zeros. Yes, we got the two zeros. Yes, we got the two zeros, that x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 2. I hope all of you understood. Okay, I'll assign you some more problems, so please try to solve these problems. And in the examination, this type of question may appears for 2 marks. 2 marks. And the same thing, and one more thing, I make you clear that the same thing you studied and also is solved in the quadratic equation by factorization method. Do you remember? Do you know but what is the difference between the quadratic equation and quadratic polynomial? In the initial first video I told you that. So quadratic equation, so here x square plus 7x plus 10, this is quadratic polynomial. But x square plus 7x plus 10, this is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. This is quadratic polynomial. So the difference between this is, here quadratic equation is we always equate to some values, that is equation. If we not equate that to the some values, so that is quadratic polynomial. So if you want more clarification, just go for the quadratic equation part 1 video. In that I explained in detail. Okay, I hope all of you understood, and also I'll going to assign some problems to you, so please solve all these problems. Okay, look into this 6 examples, so please try to solve this problems and find the zeros. And remember this is a quadratic polynomial, so how many zeros it has? It has 2 zeros. Keep in mind that. If it is a linear polynomial, it has only 1 zero. I hope all of you understood. Okay, we'll see in the next video. Thank you.